Want to grow a highly profitable crop in just a small space? Yes, you heard it right. Mushroom farming can earn you anywhere between 30,000 rupee to 50,000 rupees every month, and guess what? You don't even need a farm. With just 100 square feet of space, you could be growing profits right from your backyard, terrace, or even a spare room. That tiny space can become a powerful income machine depending on the type of mushroom you grow and your local market. Imagine turning a small corner of your home into a money-making mushroom hub. Did you know? India produces around 1.4 lakh metric tons of mushrooms every year, but the demand is over 3 lakh metric tons. That's a massive gap and a golden business opportunity waiting for you. And get this, the global mushroom market is expected to skyrocket to a whopping $116 billion by 2030. Meanwhile, India's health-conscious crowd is growing fast, making this the perfect time to jump in. Why are mushrooms so popular? Because they're packed with health benefits and taste absolutely delicious. And guess what? You don't need fertile land or expensive machinery. All you need is a simple room, some bags, and the right technique, and you're set to start your very own mushroom farm. So, are you ready to turn your small space into a profitable mushroom farming business? Let's get started. Did you know? India is only meeting 15% of its total mushroom demand? That's a massive supply gap, just waiting to be filled. And here's the best part, mushroom farming uses 10 times less water than regular crops. That's eco-friendly and profitable. Worried about returns? Don't be. Mushroom farming can give you a 150 to 200% return on investment in just 3 months. And when it comes to selling, 1 kilo of oyster mushrooms can fetch 100 rupee to 200 rupees in local markets. Easy to sell. Easy to earn. Mushroom farming is not just a trend, it's the future of smart, sustainable agriculture. So, which mushrooms should you grow? Let's take a quick look at the top contenders. Number 1, white button mushroom, the most popular and widely consumed mushroom in India. It's in huge demand in hotels, restaurants, and supermarkets. Number 2, oyster mushroom. A beginner's best friend. They're super easy to grow, need low investment, and give fast results. Next up, milky mushroom. Perfect for warmer regions. These thrive in tropical climates and are gaining popularity among urban growers. And for the exotic lovers, shiitake mushrooms. High in medicinal value and market price, these are perfect for value-added niche farming. So how do you choose? Simple. Base it on your climate, budget, and local market demand. Remember, oyster mushrooms are the easiest entry point to this profitable world. And button mushrooms? They're your golden ticket to bulk profits. Let's take a tour across India and see where mushroom farming is blooming the brightest. Starting with the hills, Himachal Pradesh. This beautiful state is famous for its large-scale button mushroom production. Next, Punjab and Haryana, powerhouses of agriculture. These states lead in commercial mushroom cultivation, backed by solid government support and farmer training. Now let's head east to Odisha, where tribal women are leading the way in oyster mushroom farming. A true example of empowerment and success. Down south, in Tamil Nadu and Kerala, small-scale and home-based mushroom farms are booming, perfect for those starting from their backyard or terrace. And in the northern hills, Uttarakhand and Jharkhand are encouraging women-led mushroom farming through generous subsidies and local schemes. So wherever you are in India, there's a mushroom opportunity waiting for you. Let's talk about market demand, because mushroom sales in India are going through the roof. With more urban consumers becoming health conscious and a large vegetarian population looking for high protein options, mushrooms have become a top choice on the plate. Big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, and Hyderabad are seeing massive consumption of mushrooms, especially through hotels, supermarkets, and even cloud kitchens. In short, if you grow mushrooms, the market is waiting with open arms. Here's the best part: the Indian government is backing mushroom farming in a big way through powerful national and state level schemes. Let's start with the National Horticulture Board. They offer subsidies for controlled environment mushroom units, financial aid for cold storage and packaging, hands-on training for new and progressive farmers. Next up, ICAR's Directorate of Mushroom Research, Solan. They provide certified spawn of oyster, button, and milky mushrooms. 3 to 6 day training, online and offline. Handbooks and bulletins in local languages. And don't forget your own state agricultural departments. Support includes free or subsidized spawn, up to 75% subsidy for mushroom sheds or polyhouses, local Krishi Vigyan Kendras for training and tech help. For example, in Odisha, Mission Shakti supports women mushroom entrepreneurs. In Tamil Nadu, TNAU and Horticulture Department train farmers regularly. Punjab offers 3 lakh rupees subsidy for button mushroom units. Women and SC/ST farmers get extra support too, with schemes like special aid for self-help groups, extra support through One Dhan Yojana in tribal areas, National SC/ST Hub for business and subsidy support. Planning big? Thinking of export? APIDA helps you scale up. They provide training and marketing for international sales, guidance on packaging and quality standards, support for value-added products like dried mushrooms and powders. So whether you're just starting out or dreaming big, government support is right there to help you grow. So what are you waiting for? Turn that small space into a big opportunity. Start your mushroom farming journey today and watch the profits grow.